How to resize images in Canva. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Canva and then simply create your design. So I'm gonna create a custom design and I'm gonna use the YouTube thumbnail presets. And as you can see here, I have this image. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply go to file, and then the next step is to simply go here and click on create new design, and then here simply choose custom size, and here you can enter your own size. I'm gonna enter this one here, and I'm gonna click on create new. Now let's say I have here, so I'm gonna go and upload an image. So I'm gonna take this one here and I'm gonna resize it to the design. So as you can see, all you have to do is simply drag it over like this by all four sides. Now if you want, you can simply double click, and as you can see, if you want, you can move it around. Now let's say I want to resize this image to this other design. So I'm gonna copy this and then I'm gonna paste it here, and then simply drag this like this, and basically that's all you have to do. Now as I said earlier, you can double click on the image and you can basically center this, and that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.